Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change folder grid in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings. Then go to home screen. Go to home screen. Then click on folder grid and change it to 4x4. As of now, it was in 3x4. Okay, first it was in 3x4, and in 3x4 the folder grid means see Google, and this is folder grid. Okay, 3 in 3x3 is available. Okay, 3 in column and 3 in a row. Okay, so if you would like to change it to another option, change it, and I select 4x4. 4x4 means see what it looks. See here, 4x4. 4 in a column, 4 in a row. Okay. So in this way you can easily change folder grid in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.